Hi everyone, my name is Kelly and I am a third year applied psychology student at GCU. So at school I studied social subjects such as history, modern studies, RE and sociology. When I was in sixth year, I decided that when I left school I would like to go on and study HNC at social services with the expectations that this would then allow me to progress on to university to study social work. However, once I was on my college course, I was introduced to psychology for the first time and I really enjoyed it. So I decided that once I finished college, I would like to move on to study applied psychology at GCU. So when I was in sixth year, some of my friends decided that they would like to go on and study at college. Some went straight into university and some went into apprenticeships. And it's really important that you look at all your options available because each are just as valuable as one another. So teaching within the course takes place on campus and off campus. We have some on-campus lectures, seminars and practicals, as well as some online lectures, seminars and practicals. So a lecture is where you are with a large group of your year group and you go over the main subject areas for each class. A seminar is where you split off into smaller groups and you get a chance to take part in class activities which are related to the lecture content, and this is where you really get opportunities to ask questions with a tutor and go over class activities and go over any assessment worries that you might have. So in psychology we do a lot of experiments and you learn how to write up experiments, conduct experiments and also how to gather and write up research. So this usually takes place in the practicals and we make use of the computer labs. So when I leave I would like to go on to study to become an educational psychologist. And it's really important to note that if you are thinking about studying applied psychology, that you understand that you have to complete your undergraduate course first before moving on to further study in each of the subject areas in psychology if you wish to become a fully qualified psychologist. However, you can graduate with your undergraduate degree in psychology, which can lead you on into further study in many areas such as social work, teaching and primary, secondary and special education needs teaching, as well as HR management. So the skills that you gain as a graduate are really valuable and can be applied to many areas, which is why I'm really glad that I chose to study psychology. So one piece of advice I would definitely give is to go out and get as much experience as you can in any sort of career field area that interests you, because this is a really good way to decide if that is what you would actually like to pursue as a career. It can also help you further down the line as an applicant when you are finished whichever course you decide to take. It can help you stand out when you are going to apply for jobs. It can also help you on your degree course or college course is because you can relate to the experience that you've gained when you're in classes, which might be quite helpful. So thank you for listening and good luck.